Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDF-XChange Viewer. First, let's open a document. You can drag and drop a file onto the viewer window or use the File menu and select Open. Once your PDF loads, navigate through pages using the scroll wheel, the page number box, or the navigation arrows located at the bottom of the window. You can easily zoom in or out to find the perfect view, ensuring clarity for your reading or editing tasks. It's a straightforward start to managing your documents. Enhance your documents by adding annotations. Select the Highlight Text tool from the Comment and Markup toolbar to emphasize important phrases, choosing from a spectrum of colors. For detailed thoughts, simply click Sticky Note, then place it anywhere on the page and type your comments. If you need to draw attention to a specific area, use the rectangle, circle, or arrow tools. These features help you interact with the content, making your PDFs truly dynamic and personalized for review or study purposes. PDF-XChange Viewer allows for basic text editing within existing content. Select the typewriter tool to add new text directly onto almost any part of your document, useful for filling in non-interactive fields. For scanned documents, the optical character recognition, or OCR feature, can convert images of text into searchable and selectable characters. This means you can then easily copy and paste information, transforming static images into editable content with just a few clicks, saving you considerable time. Efficiently fill out forms directly within the viewer. For interactive forms with designated fields, simply click and type your information into each box. If your form is not interactive, use the typewriter tool to manually add text precisely where needed. You can also apply digital signatures. Navigate to the Sign tool, then draw or import your signature image, resizing and positioning it with ease. This streamlined process eliminates the need for printing, signing, and rescanning documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.